ECM multi-speed blower motor problems often start with a weird burnt smell, and yeah, that smell can totally come from the ECM module itself. So, if you catch a funky burnt odor near your blower, first off, don't ignore it. Like, this thing is trying to tell you something's wrong. The ECM, or electronic control module, handles your blower motor speeds, and if it's messing up, it can overheat or fry components like capacitors, which makes that burnt smell. A quick tip: shut off your system right away to avoid any bigger damage or safety issues. Next, check the blower motor capacitor. If it looks swollen or leaking, that's a red flag. Sometimes dust buildup causes overheating too, so give the blower area a gentle clean if you're comfy with that. Make sure your air filters are fresh, because clogged filters make the motor work harder and can cause overheating smells. If you're not sure what you're doing or the smell sticks around, calling a pro HVAC technician is the safest move. They can test the ECM module with the right tools and swap out parts if needed. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ECM multi-speed blower motors is ignoring early warning signs like those burnt smells or unusual noises. Waiting too long can lead to full module failure and expensive repairs. Another common issue is skipping regular maintenance like cleaning or changing air filters, which puts extra strain on the motor and ECM module, causing overheating. Also, some folks try DIY fixes without understanding the electrical system, which can make things worse or even dangerous. To fix these problems, always act fast if you smell something burnt. Turn off your system and inspect for visible damage, or call a professional immediately. Schedule regular HVAC tune-ups to keep everything clean and in check. And if you're not comfortable with electrical parts, leave it to trained technicians who know how to handle ECM motor troubleshooting safely. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff with HVAC repairs and more. Plus, it's a solid spot for contractors looking to connect with real customers and grow their business without all the hassle.